Hello everyone, welcome to Admission Updates. WBJEE JELET 2022 application has been released, and this is the official website of JELET, that is wbjeeb.nic.in. And after visiting the official website, you have to click on this link, that is apply for JELET to register yourself. Prior to registration, candidates should be aware of some important details that is required for filling the application form. So I'm going to share some important instructions that is available on the official website. So let us have a look at it. First of all, let us look at the details. The very first important instruction is the application for the examination must be done in online mode only. So no candidate should send it through email or fax or any other medium. And the other important instruction is candidates should fill only genuine details in the application form available at the www.wbjeeb.nic.in. Then candidates should have a mobile number and a unique email ID for registration. After that, candidates will be required to fill their name, father's name, mother's name, gender, domicile, and date of birth. Okay, while registering themselves, and these details cannot be changed, modified, edited under any circumstances. So make sure that these details are filled correctly in your application form. Otherwise, you will not get any chance to correct this. Correct your name, father's name, mother's name, gender. Further, the next important detail is do not attempt to make any duplicate application form. Candidates should not submit two or more than one application form, otherwise their applications will not be accepted under any circumstances. They should not share their application number, password, security question answer with any other candidate. They have to upload scanned copy of photo and signature as per the guidelines given in the information bulletin. And let us have a look at it. What is the guideline? So the candidate have to upload a photograph which should be in between 220 to 200 kb in JPEG format, and the signature should be again between 220 to 200 kb. And any document, for example certificate, mark sheet, uh, that is to be uploaded should be in PDF format, and the size should be in between 50 to 300 kb. Okay, and all documents are to be uploaded in the one go. So these are some important instructions related to uploading of the images. Let us look at the other important details. Other details are like you can you cannot change names, father name, mother name, gender. I have shared this thing in the previous point, but later on, if you want to change any other detail other than these details, you will be able to change it in the correction period only. And the application fee is rupees 500 for the general candidate and rupees 400 for SC/ST, OBC AB category, plus the bank service charges as applicable. Candidates will be able to pay the fee by net banking, debit card, and credit card only, and the fee is non-refundable in nature. Further, after filling the application form, candidates must print their confirmation page and keep a copy of it. Keep your copy of admit card also, so that you can present it at the time of counseling. So these are some important details required uh, for filling the application form. Now let us have a look at the exam pattern. This is the exam pattern for engineering technology or BSc candidate. So there will be 1 2 3 4 sections. First one is mathematics, second one is physics, chemistry, third one, and then last one is fundamental of electrical electronics engineering. Okay, the number of questions asked in that will be asked in mathematics is 30. Sorry, in category 1 is 30. In category 2 the questions will be 10, Total number of questions is 40 and the total marks is 50. Further, for physics, total questions including category 1 and category 2 is 30 and the total marks is 35. In chemistry, there will be total 20 questions combining category 1 and category 2 questions, and the total marks is 25. And the last one, that is fundamentals of electrical and electronics engineering, total questions will be 10 and total marks is 10. So all in all there will be 100 questions carrying 120 marks. Okay. The exam will be conducted for 2 hours and the questions will be in English language only. So these are some basic details that is required prior to filling the application form. So I hope these information are useful for all the candidates who are going to register themselves. Thanks for watching the video, and if you guys have any other question, please do mention that question in the comment section. I will try to answer the questions. Thanks for watching and subscribe the channel for other important updates.